Austin, there's a waterfall. What is that, Boston? Isn't that cool? Right along the side of the trail. Wow, that is so cool. You think there's any pests that fall down there? Swim, 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 swim. Ah! What do they do when they fall down? They like climb back up with their PAs? What happens if they get too sucio if they fall? Oh, they can climb back up themselves? Hey, look, Boston, what do you think? Is that little fence going to keep us away? I don't think so. See, that looks like a holler over there, huh? Where do we see hollers at? In Missouri. Where are their hollers? To see holler in Missouri. One more time. Holler in Missouri. Oh. Like you say one more time to Mommy. You say holler in Missouri. Are there hollers in Tennessee? Yeah, that's what we're in right now. A holler in Tennessee. To see holler in Tennessee. See. Alright, let's keep rolling, buddy. Say ciao ciao waterfall. Look at this little fence. Oh, I guess that is metal, so. Want to go look off there? Alright, I'm going to go look real quick. You gonna stay right here? Says do not walk over here, but Boston's gonna abide the rules. You're gonna stay right there, right? He's coming. Look at what it says right here. Gross plus Baker, December 1956. Ha! How cool is that? You coming or no? Come here, little punky. You're gonna stay on the inside where you can't fall. And you fell. It's okay, come here. I got you. Push through, don't touch the leaves. They're poison ivy. Come here. Robbie though. Okay. Mono. See, it says gross plus Baker. See, Baker. Go right here. No, hold my mono. No, you have to. Okay, grab on. You don't? No, you have to be careful. Hold on right here. There, hold on. Look at the waterfall. You have to hold my hand then, because I don't want you going somewhere you're going to fall. Look at how beautiful this is. Any pisses down there? You know I'm going to take your photo. Stand right here. It's okay. It's okay. Right here. Right here. Hold my hand. Let's take our photo together then. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Turn around. Turn around. I got you.